Hey guys, so this is my client here, Jamie. She's been a consistent client with me for a year now with every 4-week Brazilian waxes, and then we have done a few alkaline washes as well. Jamie, tell me what you think about alkaline wash.
So like Emma said, I was a consistent Brazilian waxer, and she introduced me to alkaline wash back in April. At first, I was a little skeptical with investing such a financial and time-consuming treatment for my skin, but I trusted Emma and went through it. I, at first, was not happy with the results because I wasn't seeing the instant gratification, and it was being more time-consuming than I anticipated because I'm such a 4-week waxer that I wasn't the happiest, but I stuck with it. After my 4th treatment, I did go back to Brazilian waxes again, and that's when I saw the biggest results and when I was very happy with my decision. Once I went back to doing Brazilians, my hair was much thinner, it was coming in slower, it was patchy, and you could really see that that investment really was the best decision for me. So I'm excited that I did go through with it and stuck through it, even though me and Emma and I was just a little brat. But I am happy with the decision I made, and it's definitely the best investment for me.
And how long do you go between your waxes now?
So before, like we said, I was 4 weeks. Now I feel like we're 7 weeks, 6 weeks, you know, it really just depends, but it's about time for me to do an alkaline wash again. So it's winter time, so it's perfect because the summertime I really wanted to be cleaner. But, and I just feel that the more I do this alkaline wash and consistency with everything, that I'm going to get to the dream like hair that I want. So
yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So did you have any issues with your skin afterwards, feeling more sensitive or?
No, actually I didn't. You gave me the post-care treatment stuff, and I used that like I was supposed to, and after every shower and stuff, so I really didn't see any issues. Also, I feel like with this alkaline wash, my ingrowns were 10 times better and less likely to have, so that was a big thing for me too, because we know those were not fun.
Yeah, those were a pain in the butt for sure.
Yeah.
But thank you, Jamie. You're amazing for trusting me. I appreciate you. Yes. So if you have any questions about alkaline wash, or you want to be a testimonial just like Miss Jamie here, just call the studio or shoot us a message and we'll get you in on the books. Thank you.